In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto to a wallet from Revolut. So this can be to any wallet. To do this, open up the Revolut app and go to the crypto tab in the bottom. From here, click send. And then here select the cryptocurrency you want to send. So I'll select Bitcoin. Then from there you will see this, so you need to select an address or add a wallet address. So if you want to add a new one, just click add wallet address. And then you will see something like this. Now from here, first you can go and paste in the wallet address for the same network and currency pairing that you have just selected, which for me, for example, is Bitcoin on Bitcoin, and then select the wallet or exchange that it is to. So if you click on it, you can see the exchanges here, such as Kraken, Bybit, Coinbase, Binance, etc. But you can also click wallet, where you will find, for example, Phantom Wallet or Coinbase Wallet. So just select where you are sending it. And then from there you can add a label to this wallet, such as my Phantom Wallet Bitcoin. And then from there click save. Then you can choose how much you would like to transfer. You can also select a certain percentage of how much you have. And then after doing that, just go and confirm it. And then you may need to enter a verification code to verify that it is you. And after doing that, the money will be on its way to the wallet. So that's how to transfer crypto to a wallet from Revolut. Just make sure that the wallet address you enter is the same currency and the same network as what you have right here on Revolut at the top. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.